What are you doing, buddy?
Reading a book.
Oh, nice. What a great morning. What are you doing?
Reading a book.
You also?
Yes.
That's great. I have time to continue my puzzle. I'm working on Castle Neuschwanstein. It's a beautiful castle in Germany. And let's see if I find my pieces. I think actually, you know what? Ooh, yes, it connects. Alright, I sorted them out by colors. The clouds here, I'll do those later. Let's work on the trees. Let me get something to drink really quick.
Now my turn.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
I have an idea. Look, I tied this string to the puzzle piece. Let's prank her.
Ah. Oh my goodness. I was so thirsty. Alright, maybe I should continue on this guy. Let's see. Maybe this piece here. Oh, wait, oh, oh, what was that? Oh, let me see.
It fell down.
Oh, wait. Ah, yeah. There's the piece. Huh. Odd. Did you guys see anything, anybody?
No.
No? Alright. Well, back to my puzzle. Beautiful morning inside. This is not that easy, this puzzle. It's actually really... Spicy! Oh. Is that spicy?
Sorry.
Did you guys do that?
Yes, sorry.
So much a beautiful morning. How about we make some good lunch?
Okay,
Yeah?
let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, what are you making for lunch?
I'm making palatschinke. In French, they're crepes. They're so delicious. Do you want to help make them? Yes? Alright, come. So we're gonna put flour. You wanna dump it in?
Yeah.
We put 4 cups. 1, 2, 3. That's number 4. Dump it?
All of
Yes, all of it. Perfect. Now dig a little hole in it. We're gonna put an egg inside. There you go. That looks good. Flour, perfect. We'll take this. Now we crack the egg. 1 egg. Crack it. And the egg. Oh, it fell to the side. That's okay. And then, do you want to open the milk and pour milk inside, please?
Yes.
So we have flour, egg, and milk. Pretty easy, right?
I can't open this.
You can't open it? Hold on, I'm coming to help. Let's pour the milk inside. We'll do as much as we think. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I'll tell you to stop. Pour, 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 pour. Yeah, stop. All right. Now, do you want to stir it?
Yes.
Egg,
Egg.
milk.
Shin, shin.
All right, let's stir it up. That will be delicious. Is that your favorite food?
Yes.
Palatschinke? And you know how to make it. That's perfect. Okay, looks like we need a lot more milk. I'll pour it for you. A lot more milk. carefully stir so it doesn't splash outside. Since crepes is something French, do you know any French words? Oui is yes. Oui, oui. Yes, yes. Je m'appelle. My name is. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. Ah, food. Very good. Looks like I have to get more milk from the fridge. I put 4 cups of flour inside today. Careful, let me pour a little bit more milk. Alright. You need quite a lot of milk actually when you make crepes. Careful when you start. We will recycle this one. And who is coming to join us today?
What if you're making palatschinke? Look.
Palatschinke, my favorite.
My favorite too. Always my favorite. But yours too?
Yes, forever and ever and ever. We've been stirring it for a while, right?
Yep.
So soon we can put it in the pan. Yum.
And we can eat it.
Yay! Ruff, 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 ruff.
I'm a pro at making palatschinke. Watch Letty.
I can see that. Nice.
Waiting for my palatschinke.
So it's perfect now
Yeah.
for the crepes, for the palatschinke?
Look.
Okay, looking. What are you doing? Oh. Runs down smooth. Looks good.
So the tornado stays thinner.
You're making a tornado.
It is big and stays thinner.
I thought we were making palatschinke and crepes, not a tornado. What's going on here?
Look, it is same thing.
Oh, interesting.
Going in. See? Smooth.
Yes. Because it was sideways, right?
Yes.
All right, ready? I warmed up the pan. We're gonna start the palatschinke now. Or crepes, whichever way you wanna call them. All right, we're making a little one. The first one is our tester one, and Lucky's gonna get that one, right? For the palatschinke, we're pour the olive oil. I use olive oil, some people use butter. And then, twist it in a circle. There you go, and then we let it cook. You will see when I turn it around. So first we wait till it cooks and it looks like this everywhere. And flip. Perfect. Another palatschinke almost done. Do you want to flip the last palatschinke since you didn't help us at all?
Yes.
Yes? Alright, come on. Let's go. Alright, let's see if you can flip it. Can he flip a palatschinke? Alright, let's see. Come on. Come on. Oh! Nice! Very good. One more time. Come on.